Hey, what's up everyone, welcome to Puffdata for one more learning video tutorial. And today we are going to create a Python quiz, a Telegram bot. So especially I have already done two videos. First, how you can create the bot, okay, get the token, get the chat ID, okay, how you can send some alert. I've already done, you can check in my channel as well as in my website, okay. So earlier I have shown how you can query some of the questions, okay. Some queries will be there, so you need to answer, and that can be done through Telegram with our client and server communication, okay. So here I am doing a continuity, okay, so you can check it out. I will give a link in the description. So you must have a token for this purpose, okay. So you need to follow this video, okay. So do try. Let's begin with our coding part, okay. So as you can see that I have already added the questions, and especially these questions are from ChatGPT, okay. So the next thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the two modules. First will be for initialization as we to start, and second will be for for asking the questions. So two things I'm going to do, okay. So these are the modules which is necessary to create the query, okay, and create the options as well as to get the correct options. So I've already tested this. I'm gonna answer as well. So first of all we'll create the modules and we will run this kind of a server, okay. So it should be in a questions, okay. So it should be whatever I'm doing should be accurate. You should not miss a single comma or comment as well, okay. So we need to understand. So we need to start with the asynchronous, as we say async. In this case what we are doing, so suppose if we are calling a Telegram, okay, and if it is already in running a state, so it should wait, and after the response in between, if it is open for any kind of a request and response, then you should go for it, okay. So that's the reason I'm utilizing this async, and then after I'm defining for it, okay. So this is the syntax which you need to follow. So we say define. In start we have to say update, and we have to talk about the module which we took it. So we say update comma context, okay. And at this stage we have to say about this define module as well. So we'll say at the none, and the second stage, first of all we need to define certain kind of things. So it will be current question will be there. So we'll say context dot user underscore data equals here what I'm doing with this data is asking some of the current question, which will be current question, and in dot it will be a 0, okay. And then next we have to say context dot user underscore data. So we will define each and everything, we will call each and everything, and at the end if we get any error, rectify it, okay. So correct underscore answers, okay, which will be the same 0. And the next two things we have to add, that will be our wrong answers, and at the end we have to return something. So that the way you have to add, so correct answer, and after that it will be wrong answers will be there. So after this we will give it for one more module, which is will be wait, and that will be an ask underscore question, and in that I will give an update and context. So this legacy should be continued, okay. So here it is done with the start of the quiz. Then we will gonna ask the questions. So that for that we need to define, we'll say ask under question, and in this we will give it same thing as we adopted. So first thing will be our definitely whatever our current question will be there, because we need to get with the index. So all of the things, if we are trying to do certain things, index plays an important role, okay, because to query in a simple manner. So current question index will be what? Our context of user data, that will be current question. And the next of the variable will be like questions question of data, and it will be what our data frame, which will be questions of whatever we are trying to get, that will be in a current question index. Okay. So this is the way you should follow. Okay. And what is the output of print? Hello. There is a definitely space is there plus value. So that need to be observed. I think in our case it is first one. Correct. Which of the following can be used to iterate over a list in Python? All of the above. For while loop, map, everything. What is the length function to do in Python? Returns the number of elements in a list, returns the length of a string, returns the number of key value pairs in a dictionary. So everything. Which of the following is not a keyword in Python? Class, assert, pass, I believe it is none. How do you create a set in Python? It has a parenthesis. What does Nifty 50 represent? So first query is top 50 stocks in the BC. Definitely it is not top 50 stocks in the NSE for sure. What is the full form of IPO? So it is definitely initial public offering. Which regulatory body governs the security market in India? It's SEBI. Which of the following is the stock market index in India? Sensex. Perfect. Quiz finished, played well. So correct answer is 9, wrong answer is 0. Okay. So I must say thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct by WhatsApp. Thank you.